Hi friends, I'm so excited to show you this. It's a big golden egg made of plastic, and surprise, you open it and it's for organize all your spoons, forks, knife, etc. and comes with all the accessories. All the set is complete. Comes with 6 forks like this. As you can see, the color is beautiful. 6 knives. 6 dinner spoons like this. It's bigger and perfect. 6 coffee spoons like this, and as you can see, you can put it inside this way, the knife, you can organize all of them right here this way, and I think that is beautiful and perfect to surprise your guests in your home, in a dinner, in a party. So in your kitchen, you just put all your spoons, forks, knife inside, and you can put it this way. Ta-da!